to have a video on this Pittsburgh Deluxe lens renewal system that I picked up from Harbor Freight. What it is to sand down, refine, and to polish your clutty and dull headlights. This is the third one that I purchased. Right now they're $10 at Harbor Freight. They're usually 15-16 bucks, and they're pretty good. I mean, these are all the pads that I have left over from the other two that I've purchased. This is still good, that's still good, that's still good. I still have 500 pads. A lot of them are used, but see, I still have a lot of them that are still new. I have 800 pads. Once again, there's a lot that are used, but there's a lot that are still brand new. So this system works pretty good. The only thing I do run out is of the little polishing gel that it has there, but I simply replaced it with polishing compound, because this one is also polishing compound, and some plastic X from Meguiar's, and this is how the headlights turn out. Nice and clear, you can see everything. Give this one a little polish too. And the whole reason I bought this was because it's $10 and I couldn't miss out on that fantastic deal. I didn't even open it. The only thing I did use was just the polishing compound that it comes with it, but I use the rest of the stuff that I have. So I have still a brand new kit. And what this kit comes with is instructions, the polishing compound pad, the drill bit adapter, some masking tape so you don't damage your vehicle, 3000 grit sanding paper, 800 grit, and 500 grit. And it comes with plenty of pads. Let me see. Comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 800, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 500s, and 2 3000 pads, and your polishing pad. And like I said, this comes with the polishing compound, and clear plastic cleaner and polish for headlights. And all you need is a drill, and it comes out fantastic. The next one I'm gonna do is my parents. There's a big ass bumblebee here. Can't see it, it's gone. But you could tell they're oxidated, yellow. You could tell the yellow like this. And we're gonna clear them up. And with that kit, you're able to clear up all this ugly stuff and make them look like that. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.